You've started your semaglutide journey. You've got the nausea, the appetite drop, the weekly shots, but your weight loss has slowed down and eventually stopped. What gives? Today, we're talking about what semaglutide actually does inside your body, why your expectations might be misleading, and the possible reasons your weight loss has stalled. Stay till the end to hear my personal experience. Hi, I'm Tanya, a 42-year-old mom of 2 young kids. I've yo-yo dieted for over 20 years until I found semaglutide. Now I'm on a journey toward weight loss and better mental health. I'm just getting started with this channel, but I'm planning better videos, more updates, and much improved editing as I go. So if that sounds good, hit subscribe and come along for the ride. So here you are on your semaglutide journey. You've lost a few pounds and can already see yourself rocking that dress, maybe even that bikini. You're imagining the compliments rolling in at the next family reunion, revenge body loading, especially for those uncles or cousins who made fat-shaming comments over the years. Then boom, you step on the scale and nothing. No weight loss this week. Suddenly, fear creeps in, then self-doubt. Am I good enough? Why haven't I lost weight? I'm taking my weekly shots. I know I'm eating less. Then you spiral into comparing yourself to all the success stories online. First, breathe. Seriously. The number on the scale isn't the full story. There are a million and one reasons why it might not be moving. Here are a few common ones and some quick fixes that might help. Reason number 1, GLP-1 meds slow digestion. That's part of how they work, but that can mean bloating, constipation, and feeling heavy. How to fix this? Hydrate, add fiber, and if needed, try magnesium citrate or a gentle stool softener. Now, a bonus tip from me, I always weigh myself after I've pooped. I know, TMI, but it matters. Next, reason number 2, you're gaining muscle. If you've been lifting weights or exercising more, the scale might not show fat loss right away because you're gaining muscle. You can fix this by not relying on the scale alone. Take progress photos, measure your waist, or see how your clothes fit. Reason number 3, dosage. If you're still on the starter dose 0.25 milligrams or 0.5 milligrams, that's probably not enough for significant weight loss. Most people see results at 1.0 to 2.0 milligrams or 2.4 milligrams for Wegovy. Now, to fix this, I suggest talking to your doctor. If it's been a few weeks, you may need to increase your dose. One of my hobbies is fish keeping, and this is me trying to stay productive while my weight loss stalled. Now, while I clean my aquarium, let's quickly talk about how Ozempic actually works and why your expectations might not match reality. Semaglutide, which is the active ingredient in Ozempic and Wegovy, mimics a natural hormone in your body called GLP-1. This hormone helps control appetite, digestion, and blood sugar. When you take semaglutide, it tells your brain you're full faster, slows down how quickly food leaves your stomach, and helps reduce cravings. So you naturally eat less without feeling constantly hungry. It also helps your body release insulin more effectively, which keeps your blood sugar steady. All of this supports weight loss, but in a way that's gradual and sustainable, not dramatic overnight. Having said that, if you're not losing at least 0.5 pounds per week, and yes, I'm emphasizing the at least, then it might be time to take a closer look. But if you're losing 2 pounds a month, you are still losing weight. Don't dismiss slow progress. It's still progress. Remember, Ozempic is not a magic fat-melting injection. It's a tool, a hormone mimic that supports your brain in feeling full. Since starting Ozempic, I've noticed if I eat slowly, I get full faster. Before, I needed 2 plates to feel satisfied. Now, I can almost always stop at 1. That's the power of semaglutide. But here's the thing, it's good and bad. Good because it helps with portion control. Bad because you still need to do the work. Your diet still matters. Ozempic helps train you into better habit. But if you're expecting it to do all the work for you, it won't. And that's often the reason it doesn't work for some people. The medicine is only half the battle. I would like to share my personal experience. In my first month, I lost 8 to 9 pounds and thought, wow, this is amazing. My goal was to lose about 30 pounds, bonus if I hit 40. I thought, okay, I'll be at my goal in 3 to 4 months. But spoiler alert, that's not what happened. Like after the first month, my weight loss slowed way down. And at one point, I even thought I wasn't losing weight anymore. But when I actually tracked it, I was averaging 4 pounds of weight loss per month. And yeah, that felt slow, especially when you keep seeing headlines like, I lost 30 pounds in 2 months. Here's the truth. A lot of those stories are real, but context matters. Some people are starting at 300 pounds or more. My starting weight was 164. So no, I wasn't going to drop 30 pounds in 2 months. And that's okay. So if this video helped you feel a little less alone on your semaglutide journey, leave a comment below and tell me where you're at. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video where we talk mindset, motivation, and realistic weight loss beyond the numbers.